blast belly fat. So these real life tips for real results. Whether you're hoping to look great in your swimsuit this year or just always want to search for ways to achieve that coveted flat belly, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to tackle the dreaded belly fat. We all hate it, right? Well, rather than complain too much about it, let's talk about my biggest tips for getting rid of it. So before we begin, I just want to let you guys know that I'm not going to tell you to do something crazy. My tips, they're reasonable and they're simple to incorporate into your life. These lifestyle changes, they don't require you to run 10 miles a day or even give your life over to a fitness tracker. Though exercise, is going to certainly boost your results, it's not necessary to see amazing results. So let's get into it. Tip number 1, research how to lose weight. First thing you're probably going to find is a dietitian recommending you to reduce your recommended daily calorie intake by 500. Your recommended daily calorie allowance is based on your current weight and will usually help you maintain what you weigh throughout it. So if you cut that number down by 500, you're going to lose 1 pound every 7 days. That's 4 pounds every 4 weeks. And that's pretty incredible when you consider how well that works, even without exercising. But it makes sense. Eat less, lose more, right? So what I really want to share with you is exactly how to do this in the best way possible. So if you ask me, in Oxford University, the easiest way to cut 500 calories from your day is to eliminate snacks between meals. Eat 3 healthy meals per day and nothing more. That tip is number 1. Tip number 2 is watching your portion sizes. So it's so much easier and more fun to know that you can eat any food that you like as long as you keep portions within certain limits. So based on our respected food pairing solution, a good rule to follow would be to keep your daily intake of food to 3 fist-sized portions of carbs, 2 palm-sized portions of lean protein, and 2 cups of vegetables or salad. And you might also add 2 fist size of fruit and 2 servings of fat or oil equal to the size of the end of your thumb, and still not full. After 200 minutes of skim or still not full, try having 200 mils of skim or low-fat milk, or if you prefer, swap the milk for 2 225-gram pots of natural low-calorie yogurt. So think about it. That's a good amount of food to keep you full and happy throughout the day while helping you drop excess weight. You'll find a full description of how to use food pairing rituals along with these diet recommendations in the link below. Okay, so now for tip number 3, and I mentioned earlier that you can eat whatever you want as long as you pay attention to portions. So now that's still true for you as long as it was for the participants in the study, but there's a catch, of course. So if you eat mainly Oreos and fast food, you're not going to get that far. High sugar, high fat equal poor diet. Too much of these things, they are going to be bad for your body and they'll sabotage your weight loss goals. The bottom line is they should be eaten as infrequently as possible and in very small portions. And if you can avoid them at all together, that's even better. That's awesome. So what's make of all this? As I said before, making a few small changes in your lifestyle, especially your diet, will get you results. And the food pairing solutions I referenced earlier proved exactly that. The group of participants who did only abdominal exercises without changing what they ate saw an average reduction of 2 centimeters from their waistlines. And that's great. But the diet control group, folks, they reduced their waistlines by an average of 5 centimeters, which is incredible. And equally important, these people saw significant improvements in their health stats. Blood pressure, glucose levels, lipids, they drop. So you can imagine the results that might be if you combine the abdominal workouts and better eating habits. So now it's the recipe for success, guys. You gotta try it. Finally, there's one other thing that I want to mention. A lot of people consider using diet pills and supplements for a quick fix. And please remember that unlicensed diet pills, they may very likely contain unknown substances, ingredients that are unproven, untested, and possibly dangerous. So taking them puts you at risk for serious side effects. And I'll place a link in the description below for food pairing secrets. So check that out. And that's for the report for this week. And please leave comments in the comment section. And I remember to consult your doctor, please, before starting any new exercise or regimen. Belly fat is unsightly, but also a sign that you could be at risk for heart disease, diabetes, and other problems. So busting belly fat is a win-win for you in every way. I hope my tips help you better achieve your health and fitness goals. Thanks for watching this week's video. Make sure you click the link, follow or subscribe button now to stay up to date with my weekly videos. And please don't forget to click the link below to reveal more great weight loss secrets. Click it.